Hello students. Next topic we'll take up is the process management process. In the previous videos we have seen the project management process. Now let us see in the process management process. Now when we say it is a process management process, what is it? See, to develop a software that is a project, you need a process, or we have a process of developing a software. Now you are managing this process. It's, you can say it's an intangible thing. Project is a tangible one, and you can see, or how look into it, like how it is working or so. But the process management is the process of developing this project. You are having a process for this process. Okay, that is what we call it as a process management process. In this, the main thing we are we are interested is about the capability maturity model, that says how a software is being built, or the process in building this software. Now let us see what are the goals of the CMM. Okay, that is capability maturity model. It provides an organization with a framework for improving its process and its ability to manage the development, acquisition, and maintenance of the products or services. Simply put, it helps in improving the process of developing the software. Okay, and it has appraisals and assessments, in the sense you're not simply developing software and putting it aside. No, you are seeing how it is being developed, or what are the improvements you can make in developing that software. And it provides clients with the maturity scale of rating, that is how good your software is. You cannot actually measure, we have seen that in the first chapters, right? You cannot simply measure the quantity, or the quality. So that is why it's trying to make a scale, or trying to put your software in a scale and say this is good. You're saying this to the clients, that is your software is good. And the more mature an organization, the more likely its process and development are to succeed. See, you know why these brands, or some of the branded things, they are always, they have the name, because they maintain that quality of the item, right? That goes for the any physical items that we know. Then what about the software? The process is same, right? Software may be intangible, and it just works inside a system, but the process what you are doing, or the scope of this developing, everything is the same, right? So what is the motivation to this is a military projects that ran over a budget, and it funded the SCI study. Okay, that is for this capability maturity model, and it was used for software development. And some problems were found, and CMM, where it came with an idea. So CMM was used or introduced, that is CMMI is nothing but a capability maturity model integrated, but for softwares we just use a capability maturity model. So it has design goals, it improves the organization, it has key process areas like initial, repeatable, defined, managed, and optimizing. This is the thing that we are going to study in this topic. And planning and management oriented. So these are the overall characteristics of CMM, and we are interested in the key process areas. So it is a continuous improvement process, and it is used for software. Customer satisfaction is not a part of CM, it is only in the terms of improving the quality, and the best practices of the industry or the organization can be included. So this is the of ISO. It is not in your this thing, but still it is acceptable quality system. The scope is the hardware, software, and materials, and customer satisfaction is important, and the concept is a certification that is used for certifying. You know that, right? Yeah. So levels of CMM is, first thing is the initial. Second thing is the manage. In manage we have a test planning, test monitoring and control, and a test environment. Third is the defined, where test organization, test lifecycle, and integration, non-functional testing is done. Next is the measured, that is test is measured, software quality is evaluated, and advanced peer reviews. You have seen, see, when one product comes out, many people, even though they are tech giants or whatever they also give their reviews. Nowadays that has become a trend. So that is also done. Next is the optimization, that is detect defect prevention. There should be no any defects, and test process optimization. Testing process is optimized, or it is maximized. And quality control, you give the best quality of a software. So the initial level focuses on competent people, and repeatable is on the project management, where the key process areas software project planning and software configuration management. Defined is definition of process, that is process defining, training program, peer reviews, everything. Then managed is product and process quality, that is quantitative process matrices, software quality management is done. Then optimizing is a continuous process improvement, you are trying to improve the project that you are developing. And defect prevention, you are trying to remove any fault present in the software. And process change management, any changes you want to make. And technology change management, if the technology goes outdated, you get the new technology into it and you develop it. Okay, so the summary is it allows process improvement in organization. It can use huge benefits if level 5 is achieved, that is you enter the topmost level in this capability maturity model. And it should be used as a tool that is adopted to an organization. It has nothing to do with the individual product, but you are doing this for the organization, so that organization remains as a best organization in development. Thank you.